Unleashing the fury, when solar storms strike Earth. Imagine waking up to a world where the sky dances with colors unseen. A solar storm has arrived. This isn't just a light show. Our satellites are the first victims, disrupting global communications. Without satellites, no GPS. Imagine cities in chaos, as navigation and timing systems go offline. The power grid struggle under the storm's might, risking widespread blackouts. A modern life paused. But it's not the end. Humanity adapts, innovates. Together, we weather the storm, stronger.